Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we'll be doing a glueless wig install, and this is a closure wig as well, and I won't be using any glue at all. So if you want to see all the details, keep watching. The hair's from Domiso here. They sent me the Afro Kinky glueless closure wig, and that's how the hair looks straight out of the bag. This hair is everything is pre-plucked, pre-cut and pre-bleached, so you don't have to do anything to the hair. It's already good to go, and this hair is 20 inches long. It has this elastic band at the back. You can adjust it as tight as you want, and that's how you'll be able to wear it glueless and it won't move at all. We also have some goodies that came with the hair, like this lace melting band, some HD wig caps, an edge brush, and also a pair of flashes. I have my wig cap on, and I just applied some foundation on my wig cap, and I'm going to do the same thing for my wig. So just take a little bit of foundation and apply it on the lace. So now I'm done with that, and that's how the lace is looking like. So I'll just go ahead and put on the wig. So here's the close-up view of the lace. You can barely see it, it blended perfectly, and that's how the sides are looking like. So if you're a beginner like me, this is a perfect wig for you because you don't have to do anything. Everything's already done for you. You don't even have to cut the lace. Moving on to styling the wig, I'll start by spraying water on the hair, making sure that it's fully drenched. Then I'll just go ahead and detangle the hair before applying any product. Then I'll go ahead and apply some styling mousse, and this is from Nourish and Shine. So I'll just apply it on the hair, making sure that every strand is coated with the product. Then I'll go in with my detangling brush again to define the curls. So now I'm done with this side, so I'll just go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. I'll apply some hair mousse, then I'll just go in with my detangling brush to define the curls. Now I'm done, and that's how the hair is looking like. So what I'm going to do next is apply some hair wax where my parting will be, which is the middle part as you can see. Then I'm going to apply as well along the hairline. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and lightly press down the hair just on the roots so that the wig can lay flat, and this will make the hair look more polished. Then I'll just go ahead and do some final touches. So I'll just go ahead and trim the ends and shape the hair. Then I'll lay down my edges, and that will be it. And I didn't cut any hair from the wig. This is my own hair that I'm laying down. I just left some baby hairs on the side, and I used edge control to lay them down. So even if the wind blows the hair out of my face, my hairline can still look neat. So this is the final look. If you're looking for an afro curly wig and you're a beginner like me, I recommend that you get this wig. It's very beginner friendly, very easy to install, and everything is already done for you. And as you can see, I didn't use any glue at all. This installation is completely glueless and it looks very natural. Again, the hair's from Domiso hair. They sent me the Afro Kinky curly glueless wig, and this hair is 20 inches long. All details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check them out. I want to show you another way that you can style this wig if you want your hair to be very defined. So I'll just start by spraying water on the hair because at this point the hair was really dry. Then after that I'll just go in with my styling gel. So now just go ahead and apply a generous amount of the styling gel to the hair, and this time I'm going to use a curl defining brush to detangle and define the curls. I'm done with this side and you can see how the curls are very defined. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, then I'll come back and show you what to do next. So once you're done with all that, you're going to take a diffuser and diffuse the hair, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm all done and this is the final look. The hair is all dry. So if you want your hair to be very defined, use a product that has maximum hold like a styling gel. And if you want your hair to be less defined, use a product that has less hold like a styling mousse or any styling cream. Again, the hair is from Domiso Hair. This is the Afro Kinky Curly Glueless Wig. All details of this hair will be linked down below, so make sure to check them out. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed watching and I'll see you all in my next one.